Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your scheduled post on Facebook. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to open your Facebook application, and once you do that, what you have to do is tap on your profile icon. So once you do that, you'll see this is our profile, and when you scroll down here, you will see an option to manage post. So here I already have a scheduled post. So if you click on manage post over here, you will see the scheduled post that is right over here. So here you can see you'll be able to view your scheduled post like this. You have three options over here as well. Either you can delete it, or you can edit it, or you can tag someone in it. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to see your scheduled post on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.